Hello and welcome to the Auto Loons YouTube channel. We are back with some more diecast models. This isn't a small cars model review. This is an unboxing video of this model right here. The 1/24 scale Porsche 911 GT2RS, the 991.2 version, which is the most recent version. You can see that it is a Maisto model, but it's a very different Maisto box. I mean, actually it's my first Maisto 1/24 scale model yet. So maybe I'm just not used to it. Also, huge shout out to the website I got it from, scalearts.in. These guys have a lot of good diecast models, and I think for almost everything it's free shipping across India. Off the bat, I'm not a fan of this metal cruisers box packaging design. Like, it's just, I mean, sure, the Burago one is a bit bland, but it looks nicer than this, because this looks more toyish than diecast collector kind of approach. Obviously these are budget models, so obviously not all collectors will be into this price range and level of detailing, but still I would have preferred a better box design. I do love the inside of the box, which has that little like road tarmac design. Yeah, so let's get to unboxing. So yeah, this is what you can slide out. Standard cardboard base, screwed in, 2 screws mainly. I like this bit. I mean, in terms of like, it's a good base for diecast models. Road finish, of course, in cardboard form it's very flimsy and the paint finish isn't so great. This I'm not a fan of, like this whole artwork. I get it, it's their branding, but it's not from me. I might keep this bit and get rid of this, but yeah, I'll see how it pans out. Don't do that. There we have it. 911 GT2RS model. Okay, so immediate things to notice with the details. The wheels don't turn. The finish is pretty good for the scale. I mean, okay, it's a little bit flimsy. The wings are a little bit wobbly, but look at all the like carbon fiber finishing touches, which is not very common in this scale. One of the reasons I was really chasing this particular model was for how good it looks, considering how inexpensive it is. You know, like I have a few other 1/24 scale models and they all have their like details, but in terms of just the finish of the exterior and the paint, they're not as good, and I think these will continue to improve as time goes on. Let's open these doors for the first time. See a little detailing. Racing seats. Yeah, scaffolding in the back for like this like track back roll cage. Again, not too shabby. I mean, the detailing on the dash is nice. It has the screen in the right place with the vents and all the little details there. No further like sub-branding. Let me just focus on this. There we go. It's not bad detailing for the scale and the price. Again, you don't get much that opens, you don't get wheels that steer, but you get a great finish, nice paint job, and a nice and impressive model for not a lot of money. Now, I know that I said this isn't a small car small review model, so I'll keep it brief. I did cover the story of this car when it was announced, so you can check it out on the blog autoloons.com. I'll link the story in the description below. So the GT2RS moniker is held by the most track focused version of each generation of the Porsche 911, and we have looked at previous generations of the 911 GT2RS in Hot Wheels form, and I'll link that video. So this is the most recent version of the 991.2 engine. 3.8 liter flat 6 twin turbo, driving the rear wheels only, producing around 691 brake horsepower. This GT2RS took the crown from the Huracan Performante for the fastest production vehicle lap around Nürburgring Nordschleife, with a time that I can't remember, but I'll put on the screen now. But then a tuning company / racing company called Manti Racing, they took the same car, same output, same engine, nothing done to the engine, just gave a little few more aero upgrades for keeping it road legal, a few suspension tweaks, and their version, which is the 911 GT2RS MR, is the current record holder for the fastest production vehicle lap around the Nordschleife. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it, something different, my first ever 1/24 scale model on this channel. I have plenty more to come, I'll get to it eventually. I hope you enjoyed the video, leave a like if you did. Subscribe to the channel for more videos to come eventually. If you want something more regular in terms of stuff from the car world, check out the blog, autoloons.com, link in the description again, for more car news and F1 news. And I'll see you guys next time. Ciao!